Tree cutting and trimming Oyster Bay. Welcome to Tree Cutting and Trimming Oyster Bay. Trees in a well-manicured lawn are a beautiful sight which offers an inviting space for your family to relax. Besides the aesthetic appeal, the trees increase the value of your home. Professional valuers estimate well-maintained trees and shrubs can increase a property's value by 14%. With that in mind, here are 10 tips to help you choose the right tree care services for your home. 1. Certified Arborist. You need a professional that is highly trained and specializes in the cultivation and care of trees. A qualified arborist will have the necessary certification as proof of their expertise. You can also ask for a business license that proves the legitimacy of their business. 2. Experience. How long has the company been in business? You need 3 experts that are committed and take pride in their work. As a rule of thumb, choose a company with over 4 years of experience within the industry. 3. Safety precautions. An arborist's job may involve working on huge and complex trees with a higher degree of risk. Ensure that the company uses OSHA standard equipment and follows industry safety protocols to keep them safe. The crew should have protective gear such as hard hats, chainsaw chop, and eye and ear protection. 4. Insurance. Due to the high-risk nature of the job, the tree services provider should have an insurance cover. The insurance indemnifies the technicians working on your trees. It shields you from responsibility if an accident occurs as they work. 5. Proper equipment. Arborists require a wide range of equipment for their tree care services, including chainsaws, shears, pruners, and rope systems. The tree company you choose should have well-maintained equipment for the job. They should also have post-trimming cleanup equipment. 6. Reputation. A reputable tree service company should have a string of successful projects under their name. Ask for a list of references. Find out what their former client's experience was working with the company. Check for online reviews and, whenever possible, check their ranking on Better Business Bureau. 7. Research. Before heading out to find a tree service company, familiarize yourself with the tree care industry. Understanding the industry helps you make an informed choice on the right kind of service that you need for your trees. Compare the different tree service models from different arborists, and choose the one that suits your needs. 8. Waste management. The tree service company ought to maintain the integrity of your home, including cleanliness. Ask the arborist how they intend to handle the waste-cut branches and pruned leaves. How will they protect the lush green grass from destructive tire marks of their truck? 9. Communication. You need to find an arborist that you have a good rapport with. The tree removal company should have excellent communication channels that allow you to convey your vision for the lawn effectively. They should also be able to answer all your questions about their services. 10. Pricing. Compare the different pricing models from different tree care companies. Find an arborist that offers the best value tree services and is upfront about their pricing model. Cheap services may not necessarily translate to quality care as you get what you pay for. Finding the right tree services in Long Island should not be a stressful adventure. Use the tips above as a guide to choosing the best arborist for your trees. For more information about tree care services, contact Tree Cutting and Trimming Oyster Bay today. For more information, please visit our website, www.branchingoutme.com. Or contact us through phone 516-589-8519. You can visit our office, 26 Pine Hollow Road number 222, Oyster Bay, New York 11771, United States. Tree cutting and trimming. Oyster Bay.